Hey people, so we are at this place called AJS and Ayush, you're hungry? Come. You're full, but this is good. This is roti, tandoori roti and mushroom masala. Chiku, put some in the... Okay Ayush, put it for your mother. Put some... but they've given us only... oh, there are 2 plates here. Chiku, put some in this plate and all, so that we get to taste it and do the review of it. Iska so sweet. And so Ayush, what is your opinion of this place? Good. Yeah? Okay, like that. Awesome. Come. In fact, you could take the spoon, Appa. I don't want the spoon. Recording is so tough, really. Oh wow, these are tandoori rotis for just $10. So mushroom masala looks like it'll be nice. It's the best thing I've ever had, yeah. Seriously, really good. My God, we should come here often. So this place is called AJS and it is in West Marredpally. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.